All right, this is project 3, the pizza project for CS50 web. Let's see. So we'll start out and go to the website, which is here. So I'm already logged in as Pinocchio, which is a staff user. I'm going to go ahead and log out. I have a new customer. You could also register over here, but we'll just be the new customer today. All right, logging in. Okay, so I have the menu, pizza, sub, pasta, salad, and dinner platter. And there's live prices so that as you select it, the price shows up. So antipasta salad, let's see if that's right. Salads, antipasto, $8.25. Oops, $8.25. We can also order a sub. So say we want to do ham and cheese, small, with mushrooms. That adds 50 cents. Each one adds 50 cents. We can add the sub to the cart. So this guy already had a sub in his cart, this new customer. So we got a ham and cheese sub and a large cheese sub. Let's remove that one. So now we just have the ham and cheese. And we'll go throw a pizza on there too. Sicilian large. Gluten-free dough is my special. And the number of toppings updates automatically here. So a Sicilian large says with 0 toppings is $38.70. Sicilian large $38.70, and then you'll find as we update the toppings. And now if you do too many, you can't select more than 3, so it clears Sicilian large, and now we'll just do 3. And then you could deselect 2. So let's add that to cart. Say that we're good. Total is $50.20. So check out, and these are my orders now. They're pending. You can go back to your cart. You can go back to the menu and create a new order if you want to do that. But right now I'm going to log out and log in as an admin user. So the admin user can order as well, but for now I want to go to the orders. And this shows all the orders and when they were placed. It sorts them first by whether they're complete or not, and then by, I think, order time or status. Says special, so you can get a look. So let's mark one of those complete. The large Sicilian's complete, so we're still working on the small ham and cheese. But let's go ahead, and that's most of the functionality. This guy has one thing in his cart too. Can remove that. Show you the admin. So now in the admin, you can go to order items, and we'll see that's all the orders, and sort by is complete. So that's the ham and cheese small sub that's still not complete, and you could mark it complete here if you want to, and save that. The menu items are all stored in orders. So we have some basic classes like sizes, toppings, so we could add a topping. What do we want to add? I don't know, oregano. Let's save. So now oregano shows up here at the top, and if we go here, we've got oregano now. What else? Go back to orders. So you have pizza styles. That's going to be regular and Sicilian, so you could add styles if you want. Menus, dinner platter, salad, pasta, sub, pizza. And then you also have pizzas. So this is where all the pizza data is stored that it pulls from, the live prices, and creates pizza objects and things like that. So you could add different types of pizza, but mostly probably doing toppings and extras for the subs or ingredients. Those are kind of the main ones. And I think that's everything. I have the users. Oh, cart item is when somebody adds something to the cart. And then once you check out, it goes from being a cart item to an order item, which also is basically a cart item, but has this incomplete and created at. And each one has a user ID, so different users. Make sure let's go back here. So menu, adding items, did that. Registration, login, log out, showed you that. Shopping cart, place an order, done. Viewing orders done. Personal touch is the checkout feature that you can go in and mark complete. I got a README, and that's it. So thank you.